Oh yeah, chainsaw coming down here. Okay, wow. Hey guys, what's up? And we're back in Pixel Gun 3D. Yo, back in Pixel Gun 3. Yeah, make that motion. We'll make yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's go! Yeah! 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 Well then, walking fortresses! Wow! Well, let's go for walking fortresses. Alright, connect this ever! Yeah, I still got the meteor. Alright, it's a crossbow. Space well. I can go into space in the base. But personally, there's no space. Okay. Okay, let's go and see what we have got for this episode. Yeah. Okay, what we got? Whoa, who's you? Okay, yeah. Whoa, what's happening? Okay. What's the skip? Oh, Ginger! Yeah! Man, the chainsaw's amazing. I'm best step. Whoa! Whoa! Ching! Oh man, cannon! I want the cannon! I love the cannon! Oh. My spirit. Okay. Oh, he fell down. Ooh, is he on my team? Yeah, he's on my team. Oh, scared. Wee! Oh no, I missed him. Just man, get away. Okay. Okay, let's go get him. Oh yeah. Oh, let's go. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, Andy, yeah. Oh no, it's going after me. Whoa. Oh man, was chasing me along and I had to get away. I'm sorry guys, I had to get away. I'm sorry I didn't go for him. I just needed to get away, right? Oh, turret. Let's get the turret. Oh no, he's got the turret! He's got the turret into the window! No! Man, he's got a turret over there. It's got a party going on. Oh, yeah, oh. I nearly got with the best death. I want the best death. But I don't care what I said. Where are we? I don't know. Chainsaw. Whoa. Oh yeah, chainsaw. Yeah. Oh, jetpack. Where we jetpack? I always wanted the jetpack. Whoa! Get away from me. Get away. Yeah. Scam. Yeah. Oh. He killed me. He killed me as well. We jetpack. Oh, hey, no. No, I hate you don't hit me. No, oh, man, I was so close to beat him. Man, yeah, I think he has more health than me. Yeah, everyone's got a cool level. I've got a cool level. Oh, there's Beal. Everyone's got better weapons than me. But the chainsaw, it's almost the best weapon. Yeah, it's almost the best weapon. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's on the prototype. Did you see him on the borrowed prototype? It's pretty strong. Whoa, he fell. Oh, I see you, my spirit. Oh, yeah. Mighty babies. Whoa, what happened? Oh, whoa, 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 he's turret. No, that will kill my turret. Oh no. 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 Leave my team alone. We want him alone. Oh. Whoa. Did you see him? He just dodged me. He dodged me. He saw me right before he could. Wait, move. Get away from me, I move. Get away. Yeah. Oh no, he's got a grenade. Oh yeah. Whoa, me. Oh no, he killed me as well. Why did he kill me as well? I don't get what I said. Oh yeah. Chainsaw. Come on, Chainsaw. No! Oh, man. Oh, man. Well, guys, this is the end of this. Alright, I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next episode. Yeah. And that is